Question 1. A car accelerates uniformly from rest and covers 120 meters in 10s. What is the acceleration of the car? Consider the following expression. Consider the following expression. Question 2. If the velocity time graph of a body is a straight line parallel to the time axis, the body is A. Moving with uniform acceleration. B. Moving with uniform velocity. C. At rest. D. Moving with variable acceleration. The correct answer is B. Moving with uniform velocity. Question 3. A body is thrown vertically upward. At the highest point, which of the following is 0? A. Velocity. B. Acceleration. C. Displacement. D. Force due to gravity. The correct answer is A. Velocity. Question 4. The slope of a distance-time graph of an object gives A. Acceleration. B. Speed. C. Displacement. D. Retardation. The correct answer is B. Speed. Question 5. Which law of motion gives the definition of force? A. First law. B. Second law. C. Third law. D. Law of gravitation. The correct answer is B. Second law. Question 6. A ball of mass 2 kilograms strikes a wall and rebounds with the same speed. The change in momentum is A. 0. B. Equal to initial momentum. C. Twice the initial momentum. D. Half the initial momentum. The correct answer is C. Twice the initial momentum. Question 7. A passenger in a bus moving with constant velocity leans forward when the bus suddenly stops due to A. Inertia of motion. B. Inertia of rest. C. Action-reaction. D. Gravity. The correct answer is A. Inertia of motion. Question 8. Two objects of masses m and 2m have same momentum. What is the ratio of their kinetic energies? A. 1:2. B. 2:1. C. 1:4. D. 4:1. The correct answer is B. 2:1. Question 9. The momentum of a body is equal to the product of its A. Mass and velocity. B. Mass and acceleration. C. Force and time. D. Velocity and acceleration. The correct answer is A. Mass and velocity. Question 10. If net force acting on a body is 0, the body will A. Remain at rest only. B. Move with constant velocity. C. Accelerate uniformly. D. Move with variable velocity. The correct answer is B. Move with constant velocity. Question 11. The C unit of impulse is. Consider the following expression. The correct answer is C. N.S. Question 12. Which of the following quantities remains conserved in a collision when no external force acts? A. Kinetic energy. B. Velocity. C. Momentum. D. Acceleration. The correct answer is C. Momentum. Question 13. The acceleration due to gravity on the moon is about. Consider the following expression. Consider the following expression. Question 14. Weight of an object is maximum when it is located A. At the equator. B. At the poles. C. At the center of Earth. D. At high altitude. The correct answer is B. At the poles. Question 15. The value of G decreases with A. Increase in altitude. B. Increase in latitude. C. Increase in mass. D. Decrease in radius. The correct answer is A. Increase in altitude. Question 16. Two masses are separated by a distance r. If the distance is doubled, gravitational force becomes A. Double. B. Half. C. 1/4. D. 4 times. The correct answer is C. 1/4. Question 17. Which quantity remains constant for a freely falling body near Earth's surface? A. Velocity. B. Acceleration. C. Momentum. D. Displacement. The correct answer is B. Acceleration. Question 18. If mass of a body is doubled, its weight will A. Remain same. B. Be doubled. C. Be halved. D. Be 4 times. The correct answer is B. Be doubled. Question 19. The thrust exerted by a body on a surface is equal to A. Its mass. B. Its weight. C. Its density. D. Its pressure. The correct answer is B. Its weight. Question 20. Pressure exerted by a liquid at a given depth depends on A. Shape of container. B. Area of base. C. Density of liquid. D. Volume of liquid. The correct answer is C. Density of liquid. Question 21. Work done by a force is 0 when the angle between force and displacement is A. 0 degrees. B. 45 degrees. C. 90 degrees. D. 180 degrees. The correct answer is C. 90 degrees. Question 22. The C unit of work is A. Watt. B. Joule. C. Newton. D. Pascal. The correct answer is B. Joule. Question 23. A body of mass m moving with velocity v has kinetic energy A. mv. B. Half mv. C. Half mv superscript 2. D. mv superscript 2. The correct answer is C. Half mv superscript 2. Question 24. Potential energy of an object depends on its A. Mass and velocity. B. Mass and height. C. Velocity and height. D. Shape and size. The correct answer is B. Mass and height. Question 25. Which of the following is an example of kinetic energy? A. Water stored in a dam. B. Stretched bow. C. Moving car. D. Compressed spring. The correct answer is C. Moving car. Question 26. Power is defined as A. Force per unit time. B. Work per unit time. C. Energy per unit distance. D. Force per unit distance. The correct answer is B. Work per unit time. Question 27. The commercial unit of electrical energy is A. Joule. B. Watt. C. Kilowatt hour. D. Ampere. The correct answer is C. Kilowatt hour. Question 28. If work done is negative, the angle between force and displacement is A. Acute. B. Right. C. Obtuse. D. Zero. The correct answer is C. Obtuse. Question 29. Sound cannot travel through A. Solids. B. Liquids. C. Gases. D. Vacuum. The correct answer is D. Vacuum. Question 30. The speed of sound is maximum in A. Air. B. Water. C. Iron. D. Vacuum. The correct answer is C. Iron. Question 31. The frequency of a sound wave determines its A. Loudness. B. Pitch. C. Speed. D. Quality. The correct answer is B. Pitch. Question 32. Loudness of sound depends on its A. Frequency. B. Wavelength. C. Amplitude. D. Speed. The correct answer is C. Amplitude. Question 33. The time taken by sound to travel a distance depends on A. Amplitude. B. Frequency. C. Speed. D. Pitch. The correct answer is C. Speed. Question 34. The phenomenon of sound persisting after the source has stopped is called A. Reflection. B. Reverberation. C. Echo. D. Refraction. The correct answer is B. Reverberation. Question 35. An echo can be heard only if the time gap is at least A. 0.01 s, B. 0.05 s, C. 0.1 s, D. 1 s. The correct answer is C. 0.1 s. Question 36. The minimum distance required to hear an echo in air is approximately A. 8.5 m, B. 10 meters, C. 17 meters, D. 34 meters. The correct answer is C. 17 meters. Question 37. Which of the following waves requires a material medium? A. Light waves, B. Radio waves, C. Sound waves, D. X-rays. The correct answer is C. Sound waves. Question 38. The pitch of a sound produced by a stretched string increases when A. Length increases, B. Thickness increases, C. Tension increases, D. Mass increases. The correct answer is C. Tension increases. Question 39. A body thrown vertically upward has maximum potential energy at A. Point of projection, B. Halfway point, C. Highest point, D. Ground level. The correct answer is C. Highest point. Question 40. The total mechanical energy of a freely falling body remains A. 0, B. Constant, C. Increasing, D. Decreasing. The correct answer is B. Constant. Question 41. Which law explains recoil of a gun? A. First law of motion, B. Second law of motion, C. Third law of motion, D. Law of gravitation. The correct answer is C. Third law of motion. Question 42. The inertia of an object depends on its A. Shape, B. Volume, C. Mass, D. Density. The correct answer is C. Mass. Question 43. A stone tied to a string is rotated in a circular path. The force acting on the stone is A. Centrifugal, B. Gravitational, C. Centripetal, D. Frictional. The correct answer is C. Centripetal. Question 44. If the velocity of a body is doubled, its kinetic energy becomes A. Double, B. 4 times, C. Half, D. Same. The correct answer is B. 4 times. Question 45. Which quantity has both magnitude and direction? A. Speed, B. Distance, C. Acceleration, D. Time. The correct answer is C. Acceleration. Question 46. Uniform circular motion is an example of A. Uniform velocity, B. Accelerated motion, C. Rest, D. Non-uniform motion without acceleration. The correct answer is B. Accelerated motion. Question 47. The gravitational force between two bodies is inversely proportional to A. Mass, B. Square of distance, C. Distance, D. Cube of distance. The correct answer is B. Square of distance. Question 48. A freely falling body moves with A. Uniform velocity, B. Uniform acceleration, C. Variable acceleration, D. No acceleration. The correct answer is B. Uniform acceleration. Question 49. The area under a velocity time graph represents A. Acceleration, B. Distance traveled, C. Speed, D. Retardation. The correct answer is B. Distance traveled. Question 50. The reaction force is always A. Equal and opposite, B. Greater than action, C. Less than action, D. In same direction as action. The correct answer is A. Equal and opposite. Question 51. The energy possessed by a body due to its motion and position together is called A. Kinetic energy, B. Potential energy, C. Mechanical energy, D. Heat energy. The correct answer is C. Mechanical energy. Question 52. Which of the following does not affect gravitational force? A. Mass of bodies, B. Distance between bodies, C. Medium between bodies, D. Universal gravitational constant. The correct answer is C. Medium between bodies. Question 53. Sound waves in air are A. Transverse, B. Electromagnetic, C. Longitudinal, D. Stationary. The correct answer is C. Longitudinal.